You know what's funny is I used to be totally content, with walking away with $1,000. If I made $1,000 in a day, I'd be super excited about that. But today, it's kind of a battle. Made $1,000, only trading for about an hour, and ended up walking away. And then I was like, man, should I have stayed longer? Should I have looked for more opportunities? Now, in hindsight, looking back, I'm like, well, maybe I should have. But at the end of the day, walking away with the profit, we're adding up that profit every day, just consistently adding up profit. Do I think I could have got better trades? Probably. I think there was a couple of good opportunities later on after I went back to sleep. But either way, kind of it always is easy in hindsight, right? In hindsight, it's like, hey, I could have made more money, but maybe I would have ended up losing more money. So today, locking in $1,000. I'm going to show you guys the trades here live from the live stream. And yeah, it's one of those things, a battle, right? Like every day, it's a new battle. And it's funny to think I'm not happy with making $1,000. What happened to you, Patrick? What happened back in the day when you were happy with making $100? Think about that. I remember when I first started trading, if I made $100 a day, I'd be like, this is awesome. I'm making $100 a day. Now I make $1,000. I'm still not happy with that. But maybe I am. Who knows? Let's get into the live action right here.
Yeah.
Like I said, I'm just looking for a push up before we get short. Not really much to do shorting down here. I don't want to short at the bottom, obviously. I want to short at the top. Hard to make money shorting at the bottom. I think we sell down to the 70s now. We can't break that 84 level, so I'm going to take a short here. Watching this 84 as my stop. Get this break down to the 70s. I'm not liking how it's double bottom in there. We'll watch that 77s there again. Kind of double bottom at that 77s. Got support at the 80s right now showing up here on the book map. Get that break below the 77s for a short down to the 70s. All right, looking for this move down now. Below 75s, down to the 70s. Beautiful. Looking for 70s flat here. Down to the 73s, 72s now. Trying to sell through this. Can we get a 70 touch? Short from the 78s right now. Looking for this break below 72s here. We got some support on the 72 level, pretty strong on the book map right now. Let's see if that's going to break through here. Get this breakdown below 72. I'm going to move my stop on this trade to basically break even at this point. And look for this break below 72s. Bouncing 72s there. Looking for a break below 72s. I'm going to move my stop down a little bit more just to guarantee at least $350 on this trade. But I want this break below the 72s here strong. Get down there to the 70s flat. Beautiful. Up $1,300, $1,400 live on YouTube right now. Let's go. If you haven't hit that like button, let's blow it up. I'm going to take one off right there. One contract. Still got 3 contracts left. At the 71s, taking some profit there. Holding this through the 70s now. Took in the last. We got one runner left here. Nope. Yeah, we got one runner left. Beautiful trade. Let's go, boys and girls. I'm going to take this one off at this. I'm going to put this stop on this right there just to guarantee we are going to go lower first. I'm going to move my stop on this to guarantee at least $200 in profit, but I want to see if we can break below the 68s here. Doing this all live right now, guys. This is live action. 68s bouncing. I'm going to take it off right there just to lock it in. That's my, it's probably going to go lower now that I did that, but that was our target either way. Hey, if you guys enjoy these videos, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. Tune in at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, live right here on YouTube. Right now on the book map, you can see we got all that liquidity down there at the 70s. We got liquidity sitting at the 80s right now, so we're kind of in that middle of those two levels, that 70 and 80 level. Took a little short just now, just a little quick scalp off that 78 level. Just already covered it there. There was no point in even showing it, but you can see just took a little scalp right there. I think it was like $100. Right now we're up $812 on the day. I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. $812, $745. But you can see that little pushback up to that blue line right there. There's that sell down now. So getting denied pretty hard there at the 78s. I could have kept that short going. Looking at a 66 break here. 66 looking for a breakthrough here. Got my stop at break even. Stopped out there. Let's see what happens here. The 75s again. If we get denied. Getting denied right there. See if we get a breakdown. 65s again. Looking for this move down here. I'm moving my stop to break even. See if we get this break below 66, 65s. I'm going to take one off right there just to lock it in. And then just keep one at break even and see if we can get that move down in 63s or lower 60s possible. Just playing it tight right now at this bottom. I don't like shorting these bottoms, but I think we can break this 65 level and go 63s, 60s. Moving my stop to $50. Getting stopped out there. There's that. That's exactly why I don't want to be shorting the bottom. But still, on the day, we're up $1,000. Not mad about it. Like I said, did not go to sleep last night when I should have. Went to sleep like at 1 a.m. and it's currently 4 a.m. here in Hawaii. Market trying to bounce here, but just running into that resistance again there at the 75s. Needs to get over 75s. And 75s trying to get taken out here. Pushing 75s there. Beautiful. All right, let's see how this goes. We got to push up to the 80s next. 75s pushing now. 75, 77. See if we get to push over the 76s here. Might look to take a little bit of take one contract off above 76. I'm going to move my stop up here, minimizing my risk. Only risking 200 now. Get this break over to 76s. There we go, up to 76 now. Beautiful. Trying to get that break over 76. Get to 77s or higher, 78s. Risking 200 right now. Let's give it a second. We might get stopped out. We'll give it a second here. And we're stopped out. Okay, so again, getting denied there at the EMAs. At the 76s. Bunch of liquidity just popped up on the 70s on the book map right now. If we sell through 70s, I think we're going 60s here. See if we get this to sell through. New subscribers coming in. Thank you, thank you. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. Looking to see if we get this move down now. We're starting to sell, sell, sell. Get this move down to the 60s here. Moving my stop to break even. Get this move down below 64s, down to the 60s flat here. Moving my runner to guarantee at least $100 in profit, but I'd like to see that break below 60s. I'm going to move this runner to 150, locking that in at least. See if we can break through 62s right here. If I get stopped out, I'm going to just fucking 66, 75 is my stop here. Will we get stopped? Yeah, we got stopped. I think I'm done. I think I'm done for the morning. I think it's better just to walk away. I'm tired. I can feel myself just kind of not really where I need to be. We're still up $1,100 after commissions, $996. I think it's better just to walk away now and maybe come back later on this afternoon and trade. But right now, this is just not really doing what I needed to do. There it is, a little recap for the day. Like I said, sometimes you just got to walk away, take your profit when you got it, and it is what it is. I'm kind of like on the fence about did I do the right thing? Did I walk away at the right time? Should I have stayed longer? Looking at the charts now, I'm like, oh, maybe I should have stayed longer. There were some pretty good setups after I got off the stream, but it's always easy in hindsight to kind of look back and be like, oh, I could have done this, could have done that. But it is what it is. We made our profit, and we're gonna walk away green. Another green day. So there it is. If you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. We'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Peace.
Yeah.